Hey guys, it's Morgan, and I used to do tutorials. And because I don't know what direction I want this channel to be, I'm just gonna just do whatever I want at the moment, having to do with comics and art. So today I really want to talk about how to do animation and Clip Studio Paint. The EX version is the one I have, which I'm sure many of you are realizing, oh no! I realized that too. A little too late. A lot of tutorial videos tend to take forever to get started and then you end up skipping through it, so I'm just gonna get to the point. How to do a normal animation. If you want to be an animator, you need to know that you will always work in 1920 by 1080. That is just the normal, that's just the agreed upon screen size. However, you see, mine is different. 1920 by 1080 times 2. I do this personally because I like to have a lot of space for my more complex animations, but for this tutorial you can literally just do it on 1920 by 1080. It's all up to you. Yeah, frame rate is 10. I know you want to do 24. If you have Clip Studio Paint EX, you're in my squad. You can only do 25 frames per timeline. I know. Yeah, it was pretty depressing when I realized that. But first, let's just get into how to make a good animation. So you got this set up. So down here you automatically have your animation folder and it has one cell and you're like, that's pretty cool. I prefer to just go ahead and drag out the little timeline thingy up to 25, so it won't let me go any farther than that, and that was the day I cried and lost faith in humanity. I also like to drag out the paper as well and drag out the folder, so it's all together now. Now usually this first few frames I like to just do a little sort of draft outline of what I want to do. Depending on what you're doing, if it's a character, I like to do the base, the body, in one folder and put body lines. And make a new folder. And whenever you want to make a new frame, you just click this. So now I go in and do the eyes. Generic person! I like to take this time to do the sort of setting up of what I'm gonna do, which is why the first frames I'm just going ahead and making the folders and making the first frames for each so that I don't have to run into that later. Can you guess which Kingdom Hearts character? Plot twist, it could be 2. Perfecto! So, you're ready to animate. What do you want to do? I think the easiest animation to do is a blinking animation, so we're just going to focus on the face. Ah! No face, what do I do? Don't worry, click the onion skin. Ta-da! Now it's there. So ta-da, now you got the facial expression, so now you might be thinking, Morgan, he looks very static and unrealistic. Well, focus on the body moving. So him making this, you gotta choose, you don't have to redraw every frame. So this one's okay. I would definitely redraw a little, maybe add the shoulders going up right here. So we're gonna skip to that keyframe, we're gonna click new. Lastly, the hair. Now, of course, I don't want to redraw this craziness again. One trick to get around that is to go to your hair folder, copy it, and you might be thinking, where is it? Well, you need to make a new frame. It'll be 1A. Click this little chain icon, and this whole thing means it's going to be referencing 2, which, ta-da! You don't want to make it reference the original because what changes you make to it will change it on the original as well. And that's very annoying. And once you reference it, you can erase the 1A, 2A thing. Normally I would move around the hair and stuff, but this is just a simple tutorial, so yeah, that's a quick little tutorial on how to do a fun little animation using the timeline in Clip Studio Paint. Thank you for watching, and I'm definitely gonna do a part 2 that's having to do with how to get around the whole 25 frames per second. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.